How to see a rating in chess.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly check your chess rating in chess.com. It's super simple and you can do it in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the chess.com app on your phone and here make sure that you're logged in with your account. And once you're inside the home page of the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the option labeled as stat, which can be seen at the top. And by tapping on this, it will bring you to the page where you can see your ratings for different game modes like bullet, blitz, rapid, daily, and even puzzle rating. So here each mode tracks its own rating based on your games. So that's it. That's how you can see your chess rating in chess.com. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.